So what looked like this cute, quiet little, quaint little town where we were at, you pop over another, it is a bustling town. There's so many things here. It's like mind-blowing how much stuff that we have to figure out in this town. It's cool. There's gonna be a ton of stuff. We're not gonna be bored, that's for sure. Here we go.
I know I'm hard to love.
So we are leaving Paris today. Gonna get on the train and we're gonna head to
Provence.
Aix-en-Provence. Should be fun. It's our first time out of the city for an extended period of time. We don't know how long we're gonna be there. We're gonna start for a week and go from there. It should be super fun. There's so many things down there to discover. So and it's also a little bit warmer. Should be nice.
I know I'm hard to release. But baby, if it were easy,
If you're traveling with a pet, you have to buy them a ticket too. $7, no big deal. €7. But
Coffee. To the restroom. You're in the train station. Keep in mind, you do need some euros to get in. It was only 80 cents. It's weird. Or maybe not. The bathroom was really nice.
I know I'm hard to read. It's like I'm missing pages in me.
You see?
the world's slowest escalator.
Change my mind. I know I'm hard to read. I know I'm hard to get to know. I wish I could have go along, but I barely know myself, babe. We'll do it together day by day. I know I'm hard to get to know, but baby, if it
Do it. It's so quiet here. Why are you holding your nose? Does something stink? It's close.
It's rough.
What do you think about the train? They have like our own little.
I like being upstairs.
Yeah.
unpredictable. Nothing like what we got. Girl, you know you never would. Something so typical.
Okay, we made it to Aix-en-Provence. Just got off the train. How was the train ride?
Awesome.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
it's pretty nice. Going to the south of France. Okay, are we doing the Uber?
Yeah, I guess we're probably about it. Yeah.
We don't really have any plans. We made it here. It's time for some lunch. We are headed to the hotel. It'll be good. Provence. New type of food.
Say hello.
We're in the cutest little restaurant.
Hey, Charlotte.
Hey, Charlotte. Yeah, it's really cute. It's good.
It's really good.
Not bad for the first meal. They're good.
The break, I realized I was wrong. You started wandering away.
Oh, honey, you just made the bloopers.
I thought you were shooting behind me.
I was.
I was like,
You've become used for demolition. What a wreck you've made me.
Oh,
steam. Does it steam?
it's just stinged up the lemons.
We're at this dreamy little find. Chateauneuf de Pop is $4 a glass. My mind is like, blown.
Actually, $4 a quarter.
Oh, I'm so. What?
It's like $4 a little bit more than, yeah.
Okay. It's $4 for like 2 to 3 glasses.
Yeah.
Well, definitely, it's more than 2. I'm not gonna get into it because my head's exploding. Anyways, this is some sort of like regional specialty. Everything has herbs de Provence on it. Some amazing cheese and vegetables and artichokes. And then this is called Daube, and it's like the beef burgundy of Provence. But instead it's got obviously herbs de Provence and the whole wine, and then it's served on like boiled potatoes. This looks so amazing. Everything's so inexpensive. Get here. This is just simple, like your mama makes this food, and it is so delicious. I'm so happy. We ordered the tiramisu based on a recommendation. Pretty excited. Like if your mom's a good cook, you know what I'm talking about right now. This is like coming home. It's so good. Okay, so if I had to sum up our first day here, I would be like, okay, awesome train ride. Hotel is, it's okay, yeah, it's great. The city is so much fun. There is like a million parties going on behind me. All the restaurants are completely packed. It's all patio seating with heaters. The food is incredible, and everyone is very friendly and like eager to help you with your French because we don't have any, let's be honest. The city is a win. Videos, we'd love it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, if you click on that bell, you'll get a notification as soon as we have a new video posted, and we've got a lot more coming your way.